Hello everyone, welcome to my Hot Wheels Redline collection. Today I have another mail call, and I have two in this mail call. These are Hot Heaps that I bought last week and I just got in the mail. So let's get to it. We'll see what this one is. I like it already. So this one, my friends, is orange. Got good wheels. Got the two holes that show that this is a US built car. Got the taller spring area in the back. Molded steering wheel. Motor sits forward. Oh, that grille is beautiful. Look at that color, guys. That orange is just stunning. Wow. Got what they call the clear windshield. It's got a little tint in it, but it's definitely a US made car. Look at that. Boy, that thing is nice. Oof. Okay, so that's the orange one. And then I have another one here. And let's see what this one is. And I could tell we're already gonna like this one. Another rose pink. Look at that. Got just a little bit of a tilt in the windshield. Molded steering wheel. High top spring, which means this is a US made car. Got your two holes. That base is beautiful. It's got a few chips, but I'm okay with that. I love these pinkish cars. Look at that paint shine on that. Amazing. Little bit light on the paint there on the grill. And I'm not sure, to be honest with you, if that's how it came from the factory or if that's just from years. Remember, this thing came out in 1968, so it's 56 years old. And look at the shape it's in. I mean, that's amazing when you think about it. So there are the two cars that I just got, and I wanted to share with everybody. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.